What's up, y'all? Today we're making lasagna Chef Nay style. Well, I'm not really a chef, but this was still cheesy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. And the best part, we're using homemade lasagna noodles. Alright, you guys, we're gonna need a few ingredients. I'll be sure to share everything in the description box below. We're gonna start by chopping up our veggies: carrots, celery, onion, and garlic. These ingredients will be used to make our mirepoix, which is nothing but a fancy word to describe our flavor base. Most people just use onions, carrots, and celery, but I added garlic because garlic makes things better. Once the vegetables are almost translucent, we're gonna remove it from the pot and cook our meat. I'm going in with some Italian sausage and some ground beef, and we're gonna break it down nice and fine. Go ahead and season it up how you want. I'm using pepper, garlic powder, and garlic and herb seasoning. Mix it up nice and fine, then we're gonna go back in with our mirepoix. I love saying that. Mirepoix. Feels so fancy. Go in with your crushed tomato and a little bit of chicken stock. Don't let this get under your skin, but I like to go in with a little sugar too. No, she didn't. Top it off with some salt, Italian seasoning, and we're gonna let this cook on low for about 30 minutes. Once those flavors have worked into each other, we're gonna set it aside and start working on the ricotta. Mix together the ricotta, parm, parsley, salt, and pepper, and if you want it extra creamy, add in an egg. And now time for the fun part, we're gonna layer this baby up. I did about 5 layers because I wanted to use all of my noodles. I like to do a small layer of meat sauce at the bottom of the pan to keep the noodles from sticking. Then I go in with the noodles, more meat sauce, cheese, ricotta, and repeat this process. We're gonna throw this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes until it's nice and beautiful like this. And I'll be honest, guys, I did not let this rest as long as it should have because I was hungry. Like, my stomach was growling and I was ready to eat. And you know what? It still looked good. And there we have it, you guys. Homemade lasagna made with homemade noodles and made with so much love. If you like this recipe, be sure to follow me on all platforms, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye, guys.